Hello, in this video we show you how to remove and replace the clutch master cylinder on Volkswagen Golf 6. Procedure is the same on most Volkswagens, Audis, Skodas, Seats. Here I'm trying to show where the clutch master cylinder is, but it's not very visible because we need to remove a couple of stuff to get to the clutch master cylinder. Now I'll show you the clutch master cylinder, where it's located to the clutch pedal. That's the clutch master cylinder right there. So in order to get to the clutch master cylinder from the engine side, we need to remove first the air filter box, which I've already removed, and the battery along with the battery housing. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that everything is removed, we have access to the clutch master cylinder. We can see on the clutch master cylinder there is two pipes attached. One is coming from the brake fluid tank. The other one is a high pressure side, which is going from the from the clutch master cylinder to the clutch slave cylinder. We need to remove both pipes. Okay, and that's the two pipes now removed. Next we need to go inside the car to remove the clutch master cylinder from the clutch. Here on the clutch pedal we can see this white plastic, and it's the same on the other side. They both need to be pressed in so that the clutch master cylinder is pulled out. Here it is on the other side, so we need to press it maybe with two screwdrivers, and they will come out. I couldn't take a video of how it took it out, but now you can see it's out. So next I'm going to go on the engine side and remove the clutch master cylinder from the car. This is the white plastic that I had to push in on the clutch pedal so that I can remove the clutch master cylinder from the pedal. When we put this plastic back into the clutch pedal, we need to put it in this way. So now we need to remove the clutch master cylinder. To remove the clutch master cylinder, we need to turn it anti-clockwise about a quarter way. You can do it by hand. If it's not possible by hand, you can use pliers. I'm using pliers because I couldn't do it by hand. You just need to turn it anti-clockwise about a quarter way, and then it will free itself and you can pull it out. And that's it, the clutch master cylinder is out. The only thing left to disconnect is a connector on the clutch master cylinder. So that's the master cylinder out. There is the two hoses that go in there. We see now to release it, we just turn it anti-clockwise, and to put it on, you just turn it clockwise. That's it. Thank you for watching.